Hey YouTube, Minsc13 here for a Project Spark tutorial. This mechanic is inspired by the original PlayStation game The Legend of Dragoon, which used a quick-time event system to string together awesome combos for enhanced damage. I collaborated with an average recon, and we've come up with a pretty similar but not identical version of the system in Project Spark. Now, to paraphrase my namesake, less talk, more code. Before we look at the code, I want to show you this in action. We've got a nice little combo that starts here. Time slows down. The character's highlighted in red and then turns blue when I'm able to attack again. Got another one here. You'll see my level in the middle up at the top has changed to 2, and I manually switched my combo to 2 so that I've got a different combo that I'm showing, but this guy's a little bit weak. So I'm going to take on this bigger guy over here to show you the second combo that I have. Notice that my level is level 3. I only have 2 combos right now, though. I'll show you how to add another one. And last move. There we go, and a kill. Now let's take a look at the code. All of the enemies are just generic brains, so there's no special code in them, which is nice. Alright, up here you've got the max timer, which equals 1.5 seconds. You can make that whatever you want. I've got it set to a variable. Window fraction is the portion of the max timer that the window will be. The window is the time that you'll have to make the attack. Also notice that I've got one extra once. The combo number equals 1. I'll explain the combo number in a little bit. But first, here we go. For all enemies, once its health has started to get less than its max health multiplied by 0.5. So, once it gets to 50% health, we'll switch to a boolean value, QTE equals true. Now when the QTE equals true, we're going to switch page to the QTE page. So let's do that. Here in QTE, we've got a nice little matrixy bullet time effect because the global pace goes down. When the page is entered, the timer will equal the max timer. Okay, now this whole multiple page thing, thank you very much to an average recon for turning me on to this, because I had never thought of this before. He's the one who really made this code work. I've just tweaked it a little bit to my ends after he made the basics here. So I've got this countdown timer that's 1 divided by 30. So every frame on a loop, the timer will be decremented by 1 divided by 30. So, 1 bit per frame. Okay, when the timer is greater than the window, so the amount of time that you have to successfully make the attack, highlight in red the strength equaling the timer. That's how I get that shrink effect, multiplied by 15. And when X is pressed, we're going to switch back to the main page, so it's a failure. Nothing happens if I press X then. When the timer is less than the window, or equal to, we're going to highlight in blue. With a greater strength, you see it says 50 over here. And it will shrink just like the other one. And when X is pressed, you're going to switch page to the combo page. Now this is a text variable, but first, before I show you that, if the timer runs out, we switch to the main page. So let's look at the text variable. Got the combo number. When it's equal to 1, which it currently is by default, the combo page will equal combo 1, as you see over here on the right. When combo number equals 2, combo page equals combo 2. So let's take a look at combo 2 page over here, and then go to combo 1 to actually look at the combos. Global pace will equal 1, so everything comes back to normal. But I've made the character's pace equal 1.5, so he goes a little faster. You can take this out if you want, or you can speed it up, slow it down, something like that. When the page is entered, the combo attack increments by 1 every time. And this is one of the nice little key features of this, the combo attack number going up by 1. So when it is 1, you're going to have a light combo, or a light attack, and then when the attack is finished, switch to page to QTE, go back through the red, go back through the blue, X is pressed, combo page, we're back. Combo attack is incremented by 1 again, which means it's now 2. And we do the second attack, which is also light. Then we go to the third, and we're done. When it's dead, increment level by 1 and switch back to the main page. This is also why it stops when the combo's too long for the enemy. So over here we see the combo number. First, it's clamped, meaning that it has a minimum and a maximum. I've got it clamped so that it's tied to the level of the character right now. If you want, you can have more attributes, like have it be the combo level, so that someone can pick which things they level up, attack, defense, that sort of thing. This is the combo level. Now, when the right bumper's pressed, the combo number, if it's equal to the level, which means as high as it should go, we're going to switch it to 1. Otherwise, we're going to increment it by 1. That's what makes it loop. So it, if you're level 4, it won't go up to 5. It'll go down to 1. And then left bumper is the same deal. It'll go down to the level. Also, I've put in here something just to level for the demo. You can change this any way you want, make it experience points, that sort of thing. Let's take a look at combo 2. You'll see it's light, medium, heavy. You can do this in any combination you want. Make sure that the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3. That they need to go together. But to make a new combo, go to Brain Options and say Copy Page. There's no feedback yet. Hopefully they fix that before the beta's over. But when you click Copy, it copies, and you can come over and you'll see that it pastes, so you know that it copied right. There we go. And the first thing I want to do is change this title to Combo 3. And I'm going to change the attacks too. I'm actually going to make it light, medium, heavy, which means I'm going to take out one of these mediums here. This is number 4. I'll just delete that. And I need to change the 5 to a 4 to make sure that they're incremental. The reason I took 4 out was so that I didn't have to switch page from QTE to main at the end of combo number 4, or move number 4. Now back at the main page, I do need to add combo number equal to 3, combo page equals combo 3. So we'll edit that here. That is how easy it is to add a combo. So let's give this combo a try. Alright, we see again, I'm at level 1. I have combo level 1 set. And I'm going to fail this time, just so that you can see. Okay, now I'm at level 2. I'm still at combo 1. I just want to get this guy through so that we can show you combo 3. Okay, now I've got combo 3 pulled up, so let's give this a try. Hopefully I get it, and I don't mess up. Okay, there we go. So far so good. Medium, heavy. And that wasn't enough to kill him, but it brought him a lot farther down. Now, a fun variation that you can do with this is maybe have a combo that's not as powerful, but you get extra health when you do it, or mana or something like that, or maybe combos that are more effective against certain enemies than others. There's a lot of customization that you can do with this, so take it, roll with it, credit me, Minsc13, credit an average recon please as well, and don't forget to go for the eyes.